Hello children, we have already done the three stanzas of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. As we know that the poet, while walking on his chosen path, feels that the first path, or you may say the first road which he had left, was the same. He couldn't find any difference in both the roads. He thought to come back and travel on the first one, which was also impossible because life never gives chance to rectify. Let us start the last stanza of the poem. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the differences. Sigh means taking long breath with relief or pain, happy or sad. It talks about how we rewrite our own history. We tell stories and revise our memories. Once again, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, ages and ages hence means someday when he is old and telling stories about his past, he'll sigh and say that he took the road less travelled by, and that's what made all the differences in how his life turned out. Whether the poet regrets or is happy with his decision, I think he regrets on his decision. Once you take a decision, it becomes difficult to change. The choices we make in life can shape our future. The poet had opted for the second road, thinking that it would be full of opportunities. That decision shaped his life and made all the differences. However, we are not sure whether he was happy with his decision or regretted. Now children, let us discuss the literary devices of the poem. First of all, we will be doing assonance. What is assonance? Assonance. Assonance in the poem's first line. Assonance is in the poem's first line, emphasizing the O sound, that is in road and yellow. So assonance emphasizes the O sound, that is road and yellow. The second one, that is line 2, 3 and 4, are examples of anaphora, as the line begins with the same word and. So the second, third and fourth line is the example of anaphora, the first word and. Now the third one is a simile, as just as fair is a simile. Now the fourth one is alliteration. What is alliteration? It is repetition of consonant sound. What is alliteration? Repetition of consonant sound. So alliteration in the third line of the second stanza is wanted where. Wanted where. Ver. Both the ver sound is consonant one. Now come to personification. Again, wanted where is personification. Now I'll be giving you assignment, that is write the summary and message of the poem. The assignment is write the summary and what the poet wants to convey through this poem. Jot down all the literary devices of the poem. That's all for today.